Hey there guys, today I am going to show you how to remove any object from your image. So sometime we click some image where we certain part we want to remove because we won't need those object on that image. They come by mistake. Suppose we are clicking photos on beach or some trash bin are there, so we want to remove that. So if basically if you want to remove anything from your object, from your image, any object, you can do that by using Photoshop. From now on I will share most videos regarding Photoshop and After Effects tutorials in Hindi and in English both. So in which language you are comfortable, you can watch those videos. So make sure you subscribe my channel to get those notifications of the new updates daily. And I'm going to post every videos every second day. Whatever tutorials you need, I will make sure that you get whatever you deserve. So here we start. First open an image which you want to open, which you want to edit. So here I have opened where I don't want this mouse, so I want to remove this. So first select that background layer and press Ctrl J. So it's for the purpose of preserving your original image from damage. If suppose I make any change in this layer 1 image, but I have background layers. So if I lose any content from this image, but I have the original image stored here, so this will save me. Okay, so here we start. And take any selection tool. Okay, first I will show you how traditional method work. Normally how people do, where people do mistakes generally. Okay, now select this mouse, and for content aware fill press shift backspace. Okay, or you can select it from here, fill. Okay, and make sure you have content aware selected, and okay. And it will take some time, so a few moments. It depends on your hardware specifications. Okay, just wait for a while. And here we have. Okay, here you can see that there are some parts that are here that you don't want to in that area. Okay, because AutoCAD don't know, it runs on some calculations, but it don't know where to pick from. Okay, now we are going to tell AutoCAD from where it can pick the image or from where it can edit. Okay, so we are going to instruct Photoshop. Sorry, I did my mistake. Count that on bloppers. Okay, now again select the layer 1 and select the area from which you want Photoshop to make your selections. And I want Photoshop to pick from these areas only. I don't want it to go for somewhere else searching for other objects. Okay, now make a layer mask. Okay, here, and here we have the layer mask. You can see that Photoshop have only these areas, so it has nowhere to select from. So now select this, back to this layer, and now select your mouse which you want to remove. Okay, done. Now press shift backspace. Here we have content aware fill. Okay, again this is going to take some time. Okay, here we have. Now you all can see how this is. Okay, here we have the image. See, before it was like this, and boop. and now mouse is gone. So you can try this at home, or I will post the same video. I will post the link of the same video on the description. You can download this from there if you want to experiment the same. And you can you can try this on any other object from where any other image in which you want to make changes. Okay. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe as your traditional way of ending any video. I will do the same. And make sure you subscribe my channel for daily information or updates. If you want to learn PS and After Effects, and don't forget to share it with your friends who are interested in learning new skills every day, new Photoshop skills every day. Okay, without wasting much time, thank you.